Established in 2000, Preekem Scientific Instrument Corporation Ltd. is the leading sample pretreatment instrument manufacturer in China. This enterprise, with its headquarters located in Shanghai, works with cutting-edge technology specializing in microwave chemistry. As a result of its ongoing innovative research since its establishment, Preekem has launched a series of microwave digestion products currently serving more than 1,000 professional domestic laboratories. Preekem has also been reviewed favorably by the analytical chemistry field and is now the preferred brand in the high-end microwave digestion systems market. TOPEX adopts the design concept of combining intelligent touch control operation and remote observation. TOPEX can flexibly adapt to and work with different types of digestion vessels, which enable it to not only meet the high throughput microwave digestion requirements in the fields of food, medicine, environment, etc., but also satisfies the microwave digestion demands of complicated matrix sample in the fields of minerals, plastics, and cosmetics. Meanwhile, TOPEX possesses powerful control functions, including dual plug-in measuring and control systems for temperature and pressure, IR double circle temperature measuring and control systems, and a PID control system. In addition to all the above safety mechanisms, an electronic lock, a 316L stainless steel industrial cavity, and a high-definition camera system ensure the safety of the operator. Furthermore, a 7-inch color touchscreen makes for easy operation. Remote operation can be achieved by connecting the computer via USB port. This system is consistent with the International Electrical Instrument Safety Requirement, 5MW/. In terms of sample pretreatment capability, TOPEX is able to digest 10, 15, or 40 vessels per batch, providing highly efficient, rapid sample pretreatment solutions.